And the way I hustle folk Jesus this season no measure now for me see a kind and so Ghanaian Premier League na fe CAF Confederations Cup nim na so we Jesus na home and away na ba na say goalkeepers no so Jesus ka ho a nyoma ni na betima koyi and so e dia mo no and then seven kakre fi oba na uram e wo hustle folk aso ya bo say omo enso coach e fa na Samuel Boadu na so puti finishing touches no enso e dia am kan kwala no ho ne players no say omo hwe no mutimi uram no mkonkoye no mayi a sa video ni ba betima nya bi ahwe enso ho a omo say it's Friday no mo enso e training enso ho a hustle folk yes we know omo the finishing touches no enso count say coach Samuel Boadu enso chene mrante we so msi pass ball ne ade ni na enso na etodwa e wo Sompa TV no so a wonso wonya bi hwe nene on say has a folk player ba kra friend no Salif Ibrahim di Mariana do na friend on say ne maame enso etima firi mu ya ntini say has a folk team no omu wuramu odoma no mo se anso no me wuramu odoma no o mekọ na afei omakọ no wa ka omunya no ho na fo mo so na hwe abom to me fa abofo na so makọ akọchi omunya no na fo mama busia so ato mo nka se omunya na di djuma ni si ade ato nani a omuntimi hwe mo no ko ani to mo fa ho no ma yeboa no no enso atimi yi na fo mawuram e wodoma no ne timu a jefen Aduana Stars enso e de abomu no ene nsam kakra firi ho ba me de eto ani mene enso e wodwumade ne so na Aduana Stars akache nso nsam wo ho na nsam a wo no kire se season we no o ma ye signings bebre into almost say signings no o ma sha so mo debia di ni ade na wuramu a abranche fe no just to suche abranchen enso atima firi wafa wakwa ko wuram enso ho asese bibia dam kama pa se welcome no enso atimi aba abranchen ne sa bugunubo a bibia enso dam kama pa enso e man sanso na anoche badu ono nso mpanifo atima welcome na bibia enso ekokoyi anomani na enso daye edema timu a jefe na Aduana Stars na Aduana Stars yemfanto omo enso enye supporters nanim ene Ghana fo nanim se omo Jesus no enam shipping ho nsensem nti Jesus no enso antimi ama it season we no senka 2022-2023 season Jesus yeso omu use no omo mfa ma omo the 2021-2022 season Jesus in the best start for the time being na se we ni ba omo enso atimi aye na bebia enso atimi aye kama wo ho a eno ne nsem a efi Aduana Stars akache ba me de air to anim enso e wodwumade nso game back e to the Ghana Premier League nim e bebia ni Gold Stars ni Dreams FC na ebo na sa game no ahead of the game no and a coach a Jeffrey no eye Ignatius Saifosu ono eje pine kire yen se ne de o ma ready.
I say tell me the only me say I dey defend the preseason there me find the out and team no so no but in front of the team the minimum so omunim football they understand what preseason actually that so you can never say you're ready until the action starts but if you say I fine baby I do the nyankopon nyaka ani say nyankopon be she no one ya ready fine. Oh, I say tell me the only me say I dey
coach Ignatius Saifosu coach for Dreams FC no dey to just say omo ye ready say no bibia de na kwamo mba behwe na ma enso atima koyi enso e de amomo na ye bowura mu e wo babia ni Gold Stars enso kodi nkomo no mu goalkeeper friend Ernest Kusi enso di nkomo no chem say Dreams FC ye ready e de amomo omo so no mbebom ama bibia enso atima koyi de amomo
into us starting from Monday to and say Friday training session say Libya can I was proper Thursday my boy against the one side now video about around here we say team now I was through looking at the performance then you should see in the game I may hope Sunday going to our first league game against James
Eno I goalkeeper friend Ernest Kusi for Bebiani Gold Stars and someone knows where the to yanim and the Bobiano Payamo waso and Swetimiate and Yabusani BM say players in Bebre call a brand tire friend a year Kwakudia call Prince of Ghost Munafi team new arrivals and Swaba Ibrahim La Munat Mababe room na send a Kafa or more call new Mabano.
With the players now calling or more abano difference no and shada and yeke CBS I meet me crack I say so for them so more my journey this time around in terms of experience and maturity wise and so more sukata to say it be corner it be abishim no and you know and shada in that effect yeah with team so you say effect be by a very positive effect
Eno ayen samwa ns kusi ere to ja se ebi akọ ebi aba na ogidi ese nhede nya nsusuanso bia wo mo so na nsusuanso kra beba ye nsusuanso papa because wo ma ba no enso experience ere che wo ma kono krantia no ma nna betima koyie enso ede amomo we can see eye timu a Jeffrey out to you ene samates na ebo ne no na head coach de ma timu a Jeffrey out to you malam baba nuhu enso de nsama to ja we nsam no eye on injuries and suspensions.
No. What of suspension? The team is ready for everything. No injury, no suspension. For suspension, I'm still yet to check from the whole administration because I'm a new person. I may not have access to whoever was suspended. But from the look of things, I think everybody is okay.
Entiano, I am somewhere referring Nuhu. I barbari too, just say from the look of things, and Rantana ready. Says season we no me boy Juma, and my number at Makoyena ahead of the season. No, out to you, sign your him when you move.
I think the season looks good for me as a coach and looks good for RTU as a club because there has been a lot of talks, a lot of issues, a lot of problems for RTU. But Alhamdulillah, thank God we have come in, we have been able to talk to almost all the players, and the leadership has spoken to some of the supporters who have applications. So now everything looks set. You can see that the last training was good.
And on some of run at 2 just be a set out to you. Muha when him said this season, no bit Makoye, and so at the Momo. Now, Ronald Frimpong, a player, and so at the Momo, now you didn't come on your so Ray ahead of the summer test game. No, boy, and Komokakra.
Okay, like I said, summer test Bano Mobano, or we a new entrance into the Premier League. And so you're tasting Premier League in the last season. And you be more than say 3 points, you know, you be free summer test or now. If you with empty hands, sana.
No, Ronald Frimpong, some of the 2 jam, at the 2 years, so many summer test game, they be ready or move room, Marco Dijuma, and sweat more, Yampa that Juada, a Santo Kotokone, Kadiogo Nebo, no Muramu, and so why in there who said Kotokwa could do now, or and sweat me a training and rather, or Cotonua, or her pictures, Nibi a free or bar, Nesse, and Nibre and sweat me about, Ness or her coach, a friend, or a Zebu. Now, her, friend Abdullah Ghazali, now, Uri, a friend, Islam, and so come one more in the air, Sinobit Makoyi, and so the more Santo Kotoko, and sweat my training or hobby beer, and so the more Ekoye, and so the more, a bunch of friend Ishmael Ganiyu. A former Kumasa Sanoko play say on Anthony Club you see a kind and one report say a brand tendency a count to an idea. He said no one war here NTB or any agent did in Comose when you contribute Bontina for a court and so I could see a kind of where no and then some cake ne your bobo and why the brow and so what he said so Luther and Semino and so at Miesi.
Yabada Ricardo Varasa say so the FSM aguo ediamaye. Abejo fortness na obi the message biaba me person me busa apostle na ahwe so betimi aboa me a. Or say I respectfully greet all of you in the studio and all the good listeners of the program. I have 3 simple questions regarding the appointment of expatriate by Asante Kotoko and Hartlefolk. 1. Between these 2 clubs, which one has appointed more foreign coaches? 2. Of the large number of foreign coaches each has appointed, which expatriate is the best among the lot? 3. Which of the expatriate that has managed this club is the worst by the way of performance? Please let the panelists give the undeniable facts about these questions. Anufri alleged Mahama Sali, a Fiora of Wenchi Bandalai, and all this message before or the Abba. And I say, Bibiaso Aye Kama, so no. Okay, Apostle beba na my room na hwe omo amadarum omo boy chidom ama bet power Premier League ye de live commentary bebremo ewo ye kasa fidie no Cement Seba Clinic ye ka Cement Seba Clinic a wo se enka nche se gonorrhea na how syphilis and also then hepatitis B. Saso na bema okompama no ague ni mase. Sesia na wajamu. Ni nyina se fo ni kire mo Cement Seba Clinic. Omo ebebo atunyarwa hodo ase de amawo. Ni nyina se omo se enka nche se wo ye oba bema awo no efri wo. Bema bi wa sebe ni bema na bema kra. Entimi enyem oba. Saso e na oba bi wo so a ne ho nsuo no emwa. Ni nyina do ani kire mo Cement Seba Clinic a obebo ma bibia so akoyi. Se diabetes ene how wo de ne ye hypertension. Ana se wode we bema wanya prostate enlargement ni nyina no kombe boa wode no ye typhoid ana yade bɛyi meka sɛ mbubo din a mentimi mo ni nyina no sɛ ho etrete o wanante abre ani da so asa wakwa mankrofo yobu kata Siemens Herbal Clinic for se nka nkyɛ so de bra wode be so omohwe oba no bu nsampa wanante omode no edamu soronko na omo se yenka nkyɛ sɛ omo ewo aduro bi omo de aba eno eye aduro na ho mra ne ye bebre eno eye eno no ma sa o se your friend say again ebi friend again Mickey agan akomia agan na ye kɔ ne sɛ agan na mɛwe nam agan bɛma mo ba mo ne nsa no ni nyinaa yɛ agan aduro no kyɛ sɛ bɛma no bia obɛma empa kasa akasa na sɛ bɛma de onye oba wo so ma mpa no ɛkasa empa no eye dede ni nyinaa wo yɛ oba so obɛbɛ so oni atenka ni nyinaa no nya bidum betima boa pa nti fo ani kyerem na bibia so enkoi ɛma hwehwɛ mo kyira kwan ɛwɔ asokore mampɔn Siemens Herbal Clinic ɛhɔ ɛno ɔmo so betima from mo ɛwɔ 0240616061 0240616061 ɛna obetima from mo saa so na uduru asokore mampɔn a ɔmo ne asokore mampɔn na sɛ maximum road no nam so a ɛhɔ ɛna obehu no ɔmo kɔ na no ɔmo nkodi nkɔmɔ na bibia ɛso ɛnyɛ kama ɛmfa ɛma saa so na ɛwɔ Abe Herbal Clinic ɔmo so adaroma na yɛde live commentary betimi de abro for Bet Power Premier League game bia babia game ni hye bia na yɛde ho mpenten kwa ɛde ɛbɛbro na Abe Herbal Clinic sɛ yɛn kan kyerɛ sɛ ɛba sexual weakness and a sickle cell ɛyɛ ade edi nkrofo nya papa ɔmo sɛ anu ne aduru ɛno ɛna maame abi ɛso de bra na bɛso no hwɛ bon sampa sickle cell ɛwɔ aduru anase eni aduru obi wɔ hɔ a yɛwɔ akoda bi ɛsɛ akoda wɔ yensuo ba maame abi esi yɛni nsuo ba wɔ hɔ ne nyinaa ba hɔ a ɔbɛboa ama no ma nyinaa koyi ɛde ama yade bia na ada no so kodankɔ yade bia ma abusua kora benya anka wɔ firim so ɔma bɔka abre o tete wɔ no fo ni kyerɛ mu wɔ Abe Herbal Clinic hwehwɛ ɔmo kyerɛ akɔ kuma seta no so apatrapa new site ɔmo duru apatrapa junction hɔ a obɛhu no ɔmo from 0243 345392 0243 345392 and 0506 460208 0506 460208 or from Bibia Bekwe Edama Akomia.
Yes. Ghana Premier League shasi na enra yedi nkomo bebre for the Ghana Premier League coaches any players and how OBS fully prepared for the Ghana Premier League. Olympics any team of Bechem United. Very crucial encounter between these particular two teams. Yet to me said these are two teams will be at me lose at least a crucial player within their setup. Also come season will be at me fan to my padifra. But if you more Bechem United with one particular club, you get no crowd in China. Clinton Diodu Dasu team name you have Emmanuel Owusumu Dasu team name. They have a very strong setup. Avanyomo Dasu team name. In terms of experience, you can never undertake it from a team a friend or a Bechem United, and then Obi a Henry Musa and Common Olympics and Omitima Kunya win Accra edit. But last season, a mere fee, sir, and the goalless between Accra Great Olympics and Bechem United, a one crime.
Okay.
Last season, and the goalless, and Bechem United, a share Olympics, a war Bechem. It Bechem United, 8 me pick 4 points out of a possible 6 points from a team of Accra Great Olympics.
Okay.
And Accra Great Olympics elusu omu coach in an walker. Now, I say, me share how our season the chance they are going to pick up the pieces and make sure so omu fi an walker bebre. But omu set up ne there.
Say ya preko.
Yes. Ya preko ho. Ya preko I one particular coach amejini die pa. But meeting the standards of an walker ne ade ba kwa mehwe sisi so betimi aya. You said the experience of Emmanuel Ajimambedu be bo omode.
But so back maybe I no worker yare ya preko buy.
Ya preko
until already when team no kakra.
Yes, understood. But there's a certain level an worker dru ya preko you good there. But untimi fa to an worker level no.
Okay.
What did they mention as? And you may have no worker Jumedia would here in the last 2 seasons. Edemo Olympics and Sana Fu Webeba. They no so yama team no. Olusu Michel Otu to Legon Cities at a point in time. She how Razak Kasim. Every remember fell that particular hole. A boy ye. It will feel say in terms of replacing players, Kwampo free team Nimkono. And Walker was there. Samuel Ashikwe Kwayo. Ekwaye trials or FC Basel. but team my friend Olympics was able to replace him at a point in time. And her performance are no more than they do with team. It's a new man who say ya pre ko betimi achieve with this particular Olympics team. Already no more show glimpses of more quality the Gaka top 8 boy top 6 I born and see. But me jutu me say upe test papa say u beginning season ye de be ma wa Bechem United any kwansi looking at them say omuntimi emphasize test ni ma me jutu me pa say coach Mengo ne mrante ni be wura mu e wa Accra Sports Stadium they will give Olympics a big test pa as soon as possible say bia league no so betimi awura mu enya points bi e de ada esro no baby a on betimi working on so mo kopie mo bechi ma omo bo ofia no me very strong away games they are not that strong though but on be raw home on betimi a stretch ye pa Bechem United Olympics ni me hwe ni din a me hu so Olympics with experience e kutom no on betimi apiki either win or draw against a team a your friend no Bechem United quickly na me nramu biem ewo team a this time around na wasanka kotokoni so atima baba over ama postpone because of Kumasa Sante Kotokone Kadiogo ye ba be another encounter between the Adriana Stars and Accra so folk. That is one particular game I'm sure any mu pass weekend we ye be beginning Ghana Premier League. House of Folk Kenya say be our more opponent omo on bebono. Ye really say House of Folk omo muntimi take part of the CAF Confederations Cup. Come your shots and weekend week House of Folk e continental match e was an komutimi bo. But ade a omo eyi omo hu free munti say no House of Folk enya walk over. Omo twen say omba koshia either AS Bamako or AS Douane. Mumbia ombesimi ene na shia kwakobo bia enti weekend we omo ne Adriana Stars match no ana me hwe ni mu pa se ye betimi experience one of the best footballs aja mo bia hwe se obi a betimi ahwe bi menim se Adriana Stars was Steven Anochi Bedu or just Totuche from Ewa Fawaba be piem wo ho ye nyina na agitumi ye se last season etwam no pay one of the strikers at least ne hu ni so mo ne mo wo soro a wontimi nyi sa brand here friend Totuche emfa no ensin chain Steven Anochi Bedu will give you so much experience coach Pakwasi Fabian and I'm sure how we begin this season, you know, a few weeks because very crucial. When you chance upon chance in terms of coaching most Premier Leagues or the Ghana Premier League more. When your opportunity so better to coach some teams or Ghana Premier League, me dream maybe a coach and a dream fifia. No eja honum ko no fifin so near season na also on to us be na waka ko drew before. But if there's one thing now, odinim coach Park was Fabian Pa, his ability to bring in players obi animo and make them stars.
Okay.
At a point in time. And I'm also near Hunu Richardson and who Kumasa Sante Kotoko. We saw Osman Ibrahim for Kim Faisal. On one time, no money buy some of them Pong of fee for BYF didn't buy. So one coach in terms of looking at talent span, it's in an area under 17 time. I don't know. It's a 4 player. What do you say? Player with the Nkosi baby, but to better when you know to me aboa and the player number bedroom pempe. So that is what Yenina Yesha free war say apart from resource or date team offender Diana Stars Binyano. Yebenya players bia obetimi agrumi build them up obetimi ababe competitive enough aboma Adriana Stars for Muntuma Pelefra. Last season it was quite disappointing kakra for Adriana Stars.
Okay.
Edrume bi no se ka se yetepin kofo obetimi age the Ghana Premier League na ebobo Adriana Stars na ebobo media mag league ne be sha ase no. But edrum finfin no ki face akonya resource ho kotokokonya resource ho ana ne o ma sha ase said dane. If there is one identity of Adriana Stars it was their home games. Uchu mutan okọ Adriana na Adriana do otiko beka form. But last season, and this season, also Mutimi corrected a lot of things. And it starts from this game. Not against any other team. But Accra has to focus more Chan or local and national team players. Our Mutimu. More national team players. And House of Folk team, we know, it should not be underestimated.
Mate, Mamenko Asaribodu on also Enshemu Kakra Emame Efisem. Mickey.
It's an interesting season, and I don't know. So reality has dawned on us. You have a both season without Wafa. There will be no trip to Sogakope. Amoko relegation no maybe at the teams are, but reality na bang say yes started 2023 season no weekend. You know watching every year. No team will travel to Wafa.
Sogakope.
Yes, and that is the end of a year. A stint. Wafa gave us joy. There's some spectacular score lines there by House of Folk or Jane there, Medium or Jane there, Asante Koroko. One way or the other, I've also had some nines and then some soon to forget encounters. Well, yes, Ogakope. The AstroTurf way in the by said, and the Yanewa for a quack or buy, young copper AstroTurf. and as artificial grass na yenko training was. So they brought some dimensions to the game. Not just that. Omo the players be rust league in Nimua. A peja league in any munyam so the course row.
Abada, so you move papa over coffee.
Some also know the moji.
Send them sitting on money.
As a baba shafa, then the person.
I think for Emma Munya, where say Alaji Baba Shai, so I join you.
Baba Fadele person.
And Republican in the dim come on as a Kuwa Kratano. Salaji and some on there.
And then a credit check, a check.
Hey,
Kufu be waka.
sir,
You know her.
Mate.
A Vienna has a warning. A tapokuni dikai. And I branch about Cosefene, Omu chief supporter no.
Skin do.
Omu na wasa moha.
Okay.
Panadiaba.
Yo, yate. Never was a bria.
The season without offer. Obasi go fails so called. Go fails not because of competitive reasons, as a sporting reasons, but because you're finding almost guilty of match fixing. And they almost enter league. Go fails see a team of my beautiful memories in Ghana's Premier League history. And Obuasi will not have a Premier League team for the first time in over 20 years.
Oh,
that is the saddest part. But the league will still go on.
Yeah.
Because with the teams are more ball. To start with, Ediana and a House of 4 game. No, Ediana, it was a winning game where at all costs for various reasons. Parkwesi Fabian airborne the first game on his return to Dojalat or Kwakwa Da Omano. Or she share a new team. Now say Obama supporters know and that's will be a has game win a betre. A win will give the supporters confidence. Anything but a win, ever more money doubt kakra. Olusudia and their supporters best start to raise on my eyebrows. Me and say in the last 14 league games, Ediana Abono, Luther, they have not won.
Oy.
Yes. You ever last season, I'm not for a mobile pound.
Adriana.
Yeah. Even on my last game on my boy, Wadoma, go stars question 1-0.
Okay.
So, Ediana Stars, my last 14 games in the league, they are without a win. So, my team has a Twasona Babe 15, which is a bad record any coach want to do away with. And you're on the boy there, but also Babe Twaso. And they need to break the gens. Last season, no lose 4 games or Doma. Kim Faisa can Asante Kodoko can games no lose or Doma no. The first one was against Kim Faisa. On my first home game, they lost.
And so this season, some first game against Artefok.
Yeah, against Artefok. Kim Faisa then on paper, it was a game Adriana should have beaten Faisa. Has it then the Rebecca said teams are has team no more consistent because Adriana has so many changes. Okay. You offloaded so many players and you be ababe rim and a new coach has have maintained their coach and maintained 85-90% of almost squad. No? And in terms of the squad list I stable. The new coaching way I stable. I has of Adriana. And on paper has be 60% favorite, Adriana 40% favorite because of both. But that home invincibility last season, a man for a Hojo Mukakra.
Okay.
And shut down your firm.
So
if Adriana will want to rewrite the script, Ebejina has game. Okay. To prove that they are back because Adriana be Adriana ni no the form or more picky one and do the first pack. If they're able to rediscover it, then we can have a conversation about Adriana. So Omo rebuilding, no, it has started on a good note. But House of Folk team, no, they have had the benefit of having Omo best players no being very fit because Omo are competitive in their various departments. Maybe how you go keep a free more. Central defense. Mohamed Al-Hassan has been playing consistently. Our chant team in Black Galaxies. Minim if Kunedu Yadom is past eligible to play because registration issues were, but he's also been very competitive. In this game, I doubt so be available and also be eligible so be ball. But I don't turn chain. Dennis Kwasa with the Black Galaxies. And also, I am very competitive. We are no Freeman Finfin, Sadie Shrash, Glass and Awako. They have been competitive with the Black Galaxies setup. And him a free banner. one of the consistent scorers in the off season for club and country. Also, Obebo has Nansinya friendly Oshego. So House of Folk have key players who are very competitive. Unlike last season, they are starting this season with a fully fit Glasenawako. Last season, not if ye. Now you say Obia ye ne drone na den and say by the time Awako was ready to play. Now as a din carbon matches nibi. At the time also you're ready to play, not yet fit to play.
When you're preseason crowd.
Exactly. This time around, he's fully fit. Has a Kotor and say, Ombe winning matches saving. It was to win matches of this nature. And Oya fully fit. Oya marquee signing from 2 seasons ago. No, he needs to prove. And Sika has the coffee by no, it was all justified. So clearly, has a team no a well primed, but I can never take anything away from Mediana. Into game when if Mediana do not win for traditional reasons and for spiritual reasons, game never 1-1.
Okay.
Sana mimi huno.
Me da say Michael Asaribodu and out in Kano. Mame call Apostle. Apostle.
Teams now, players be break up, young players, but I'm sure just Vadombi and a lot of the players, unlike AB Anoche Bedu, one of the brilliant centre backs who have failed to live up to expectation. Zakaria Hussein, because that was a 2 pair or Chelsea, but Zakaria Hussein there on the injury in them. Share players on Mudia Bar. I would like to see how Isaac Minta, Modimbo, Dubiasi, last season scoring 22 goals. How Albertimia are fitting into their team. He has a lot of problems. A very good clinical finish. And it will take time. Some of them almost need Premier League experience in Po. Until I'm game to be very difficult. Very difficult. Look, a unfortunate baptism for them because we are player of a lower division. Just if I feel doing a team, even Coach Bago is being on board any tougher game so far. Games are all of them, and so players will be brave. No. We would the almost firing squad, but and yet almost need option because they have to play. And no boy against a team at this is an almost full set. Signings on my year, no. Additional signings on my year, no. Ama almost supporters no cry FGD say some league no. Secondly, almost full set Africa no some kwa on betting. Some supporters no cry cancel your beginning count. It's because of GD near that than any new media account. Any preseason on my year. And so a whole year baby papa mas of folk because they've only won there once. Auntie Ayana your football your baby assassin clubs at Tafa. A whole year baby until Kotoko winning Kotoko assassin Renyama no Krabas at least what me and one win Hormo. A very difficult. This game favors House of Folk win over Adriana as compared to Adriana because Adriana like I said we yet here Crawford Nyinyi Crawford now Michael like about modern body because look some of the players and there's a need for transition on Nanka I say 2018 almost started who say at that time now modern bono a buffem but them but this is a doing results and shed that and consistent I better take it time but one day I'm a coach position is on him team share on him team share to share color so maybe in the course of the season first round no they might start having some reasonable as supporters in TSA that football there's a course for I say buffem next or share nemum a casa be catch supporters now large supporters no monti biase make all the club supporters
okay
me pes supporters are omuye a few supporters are no supporters this year Debbie me obi anim some supporters asempa na o na togbe top players sebi togbe wankosa nua and the top players togbe wankosa bobobo and the top players or discard toy ena yen ena yetibe ano tifie monko pack supporters enko pack he afi we wa ni mo be fresh show so na be ye we supporter enko pack men fra the true supporters of a club.
Oh yeah.
Yes. So also a supporter. One, adie face phobia for life. Adie be boa club. E ho na sika kakra teku. O si we di club no. Na we fi se nkwanche adie be fair. scan it.
The scanner.
Na talk about sika don't go for inva. So I saw making sure say one call Parker. So I kotoko supporter. Na kotoko bebo home game. Now tifie and ano yaw utifie and no supporter. To prove that we are supporter do club I saw call Parker tueska kakra. Fabu sensor say be na utue u joining u subscribe so that the club no betimi anya kakra. O odoma and Adriana Stars baby boy I saw call Park call support. Yes, so be supporting team. Obi a to no show. There be a say me the Raja fancy etwa yes. Omo ne from supporters. Enye ni has ni kotoko supporters ni other supporters on club Adriana supporters obrekum anu supporter num dwa e na kwadro support enye ne ka. O hwe Raja o hwe mo a me nko abroach Africa here. Raja. All supporters no. Omo organize from community to community. Men transfer chapter leader Biambra Derby. Any chapter leader also in a supporting club. No. Men transfer second leader Derby. Omada omunyo juma 2 clubs leaders in your mother. Omada omunyo juma no. O club no say oh come on. O do club no. Tuanamo. O tisa club no bobola. Tuanamo service kana kopak. E basana o ka ho. Se nema nko ya utimi kebi because o contribute bi. But most of the supporters mon contribute hwe ano. Now contribution you where they are criticizing Togbe and answer Dr. Kwamichi Ananaya Ponsa. Debbie because we capre him.
Dia na wo de boa ka.
O fa hwe mwa. Ano de sebi. Ano de se ka no kwa an wode a ye won crofo man wode nchem. But ye hiam mema a ombe tomo aso so omo ye supporters. Ombe contribute financially. Either to Phobia for Life, Fabu Sensors, any other club scheme on the beba, you bet me they are contributing abwa. And now says a club no be boha to an amoneko neko supporti. And no ni bet me I can say yes supporters ya family there na management enya de and no ubeti me akebi because match bia oko. So they are saying.
Yeah.
Now, yes, I'm saying this because clubs have boka for preseason at top players. The only way a clubs met me yes can be back on. So be kopaka, bet me anya bibi kakra. And I say, baby, almost say mo fa sikano emfa, o me create scheme mama. Mo contribute kakra. Sa ne no support the club massively. Anything short of that. Me pesa supporters be friend na anyway. As see how fra. E be bisa ticket number. League na say. Yes. We be for taking now. O criticizing everything na no be I will cut you. Yes, say idea be dria. I was supporters. You must learn to be responsible supporters.
Sompa Sports.
And the Alaji tia making Alaji one kasa afiwe. Make requesting for Alaji House of All matches tickets. Just like I do to any other person. Because Alaji you're a leader, big leader has always just show leadership by example. And the supporting the a very crucial team crowd presence or crowd a ma opponent no crowd the bone a ball referee.
Oh yeah.
They are more na me pe a year supporters nso.
A year supporters na name for apostle.
Omo kopaka omo twa just go ba. Debbie. Aha. Debbie. Enye ye nkwan hasumu ye. Na first has support enye sanity. Unim. You've been part of it, you know. Now a massive. Consider the year 2000 clip no biom has the experience in Tunis. From the blast of the whistle before the goals were scored. That support massive. Sunday supporting. Players no rap pack no cry except be big guam. What do I say?
Yeah.
Move welcome your move dead day. Now a one top opponent no so. And yes sanity. And this season there supporters more muso. Mo kopaka mi amebo mabaso. Mo amunim se me kama mo. But the maminja ma alaji na. But newspapers na alaji my attentive because okadiogo. Nti me nim nia. Say newspaper bi otimi ko hu say akoshe Benin dia me nim.
Alaji.
Papa, you call the man my yipribu ko.
Alaji yanko.
I house of folk and pay you to 8 o'clock.
Okay.
And pay 80 to free a chat room. Hotel ho. Na ide ni chire doma. Ti me wi mu chire se leg ni nyame adwo choko be baso. ti minimse me kese bono region omo hwe me misre omo Mr. Nkatia na fuko da mame konda da mbura half region no ha chapter sina wona da no benfo se abenkwa so okoye oda tutubi afa na se bi wiase na dwo wona to amenam omo firi nkran ba no omo ya hoho di wa ye kuru ba no nim ba bi ho toro ne ba bi ho ne ye ne ba bi ho nje di Abraham chapter sina mo ho no ha se ba mo bia na nse bebre koso ye mo bia nkodo ma park ne so ye mo bia nye sei hwe papa ibiase fulani ni ban funa ntwa be hununa no ya tia bre ye bemma adua na stars te hu se bufro to beto mansa ti Sompa sports mo mompa matimo no e football ne yebo de place no so wo mo ko chan no anase galaxy for no ye madu set no mo nyina ba mo nyina ka ho na mo na mbo ahia for mai chena be ba mo ye
Mate Alaji yanko
pipa na ba French people se no
okay
idi kan la proca wasi club du Accra la poulet la cor de la Mondoa Krokwa qu'est-ce qu'il y a la mouvier d'accord en putois wasi timbi wankran wa motim ne din o mabo match was we are not ready the both friendly match was we are not ready was I pull out again Salajela ma asamanfu we Pierre Kona bedie was club du Oboasi élimination 11-14 moi la paix utita moi son col la paix utija moi la paix was inti Ashanti go du ko division 2 ampa ujugu babai wo de sa de ko division 2 ujugu babai sana pipa na kasala jila ma asamanfu papa de to so bi
Sompa sports
miensa Libération was Eddie Hazard du Real Madrid la playa à la squale là-bas Tuntu Malé oppression qu'on connaît ça pas bouter soit là-bas le play bien c'est fait non Eddie Hazard merci ne peut pas nous c'est une moi ne c'est non ne lifetime wa chegu de Real Madrid ne peut pas nous c'est funu ba afenu afa afeda to nyomo no me afunu mu bei
Alaji mfache enko
afena yasana na homa no
ai
okoye pripra nkwa nyame aboa mo yashego no mse afunu mu afeni yasana na homa salajela ma asamanfu Botugo Express Club du Accra la player registration pour du Yadom présent le monde 11-14 mois en paix has envelope kuna du Yadom player na controversy surrounding him yem fana mamo ye de be mamo si ni si final has unveil boy no na ka kwa so we player brabaji
na na him for no
sa wo dia baji na nka nkrofo bi omfo dua omfo akire ebudu asi asofo kwachi no Thomas Tuchel de la Chelsea Sarankotoa élimination la JK attention tutuye c'est pas bon voici c'est Titi quoi JK to yede c'est Titi ya sakino JK to yede
the Chelsea pamo mo boss dia
na no onu JK ne ho de
Liverpool so pamo mo dia
sa da people ndia ba we ne dia ba Liverpool sofa la main Napoli l'habité de la quoi Humalako mutuer la main aussi Liverpool faut que din sembe ewo Napoli nsano ese mufiri mo jaduro mo beton bi mo ni mo jaduro kro
Davio
minamino to mo jaduro na wo sofa afin na duro ho club du Ghana Transcar 50 Drobo latte de Aflao, Chemes, Kokotaye, il n'y a pas de problème, monsieur. C'est Kabi quoi Aflao, Aflao trop. Et tout fribanto, mais il y a très bon mon destiny. Kim Berman et Mit. ɛna mo bɔ trɔtrɔ
twum barima bɛ de minim no kotoko ya na
ɛham sɛ ha de wanka kotoko din wa sɛ minim so ɔno ade a ɛna ɔmo yeso o sɛkyerɛ
ɔbɛn sɛkyerɛ
ɔna wona woka wo people no sɛ o sɛkyerɛ wɔna driver ɛna twum di mate ɔmo bɔ trɔtrɔ ɔmo afrɛ wɔ no ɔmo no ɔmo awuram to Togo anse no the next country no ɔmo kɔ hɔ abriye na de ba salagela ma
samanfu
ukotan kwa ase ozu ko kwantinti we na bo wote trotro mu sa na people no ka dia be me di twa to koro ase na me dia ba wieye aha ewo ha wasi halpete pulaba olivoa komaba mutué à la travailler son si la coup peu de mois wasi woni pa hia mo wa mra wonam fom itu kwan woni pa hia mo wa mra wonam fom tu kwan
ɛne sɛ
wo twa kwan tenten wa wo mo club bi adin sɛ wo firi wo man mu na nam fom sɛ nipa no hia mo wa la porka
ti kotokofo hia mo wa
mesre wo mo kotoko din
sɛ ɔmo na atu kwan ɔmo fa fom
dabi wo na wadwene yɛ wo saa yɛ wodo fa tamaleko bokina me mo club ni din kyerɛ wa a second division team ɔmo kɔ bokina kɔbɔ ai 4 teams tournament ɔno na ɔmo ka no ho asɛm wɔ ha de mintimi kyerɛ la procasa la gilama
samanfu
atapoku de na me de wie Aduana Stars du Malais la CNN Bright Lajay attention du club de Accra la visite du Malais Bright Ajay CNN awone has Skindu wawone has na atapoku so onso awone has
atapoku kan de
atapoku unse say according to people so osunwan sana people no kan and wo tuja wo ho has for power mon sign Skindu is park no mo guide park no and people no say ama say wanti na kuntunkuni twi for ma omo ma so na beta kokobini
Sompa Sports
but I say Alaji Baba Shine at
Mr. Mamencha Kojo Asempa Furniture Works.
Okay.
Kojo Asempa Furniture Works. O wadum the main mine no Kojo baby obi anya anhira kan. Sir boss message bu ha me pese wo hwe. Ansakura na maka asem no. Boss me pa che opi. Ase ha de enko ana.
Fama me boss ho hwe ma me.
Police former retired police officer Mr. Elvis Kwakugate Kofodu Akisiem. Elvis Kwakugate Kofodu Akisiem. Good afternoon. I'm done.
But I say, boss, but your message no bit ma share with us now. Okay. But I say, but your met me afa course kakra and sama yabobo su nyina no bit ma Fred wadwen kira ba. Number no 0551 931 931. 0551 931 931. 0548 931 931. Ghana Premier League no shase ene. Dia na wokade a kira wo club. Obetimi e de wadwen kire aba. Manya first caller ewo ahoma no so me enko ne ne enkodi nkomo.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Udinu ba bia wo kasa free.
Me kasa free boku e fe mo september.
Yeti ominia.
Me kasa free ko ya pa ko ya be mu huyu. Ya person na pa ko no me na fo me pa ko. Ki fo me ka de te ya bre ni ko. Ndi mo ndra kaza o ka ba de e pa be ho. That's it.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. Mama fa another caller. Hello. Udin ba bia wo free.
Me ka se free amount.
Udin.
Ye free me fashionable.
Me ti ominia.
Me ka se free amount from.
Ye te on kai enko.
Ye na se ha very ni ye matches ye be sha degree nyina.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. For say also Fred wadwen kire ba. Udin ba bia wo free. Hello. Yes, sir. Udini baby free.
Mi pa cho ya frami Oyibo national. Mi kasati adwatu info ba papa KFC.
Oyibo yanko.
Ligini ebe stati. Yes, stati na no. Obi pesin sin na obi ayi bi ni. Enya ape na obeye nyeme bia. Ugalu sulu support. Now the cover get over because I caught in Junction about 2 weeks. House of Folk, Nakupon boy, kind of Hodoma. If you say, I feel when league now last year, I feel players I hear so big trauma and yes, record go to non players. I have first match, the Anya draw plan, as I get 3 points in the betting park. I'm facing.
Oibo, now I call Domani B. Oh, a free so. Okay. My own share say benya another caller. We didn't be free.
Yes, yeah. Because every book.
Minu amaminti o.
Everyone buy a lot of folk. No buy to match on Bulls. Bad for matches on Bulls.
Obon Paisa has in lose you. Now support 2 team bay. Okay. We're free so my own share say benya another caller. Hello.
Hello.
We didn't be free.
But some because of young qua.
Udin.
But your plan Roxon Asale.
Roxon Yentio.
But your papa, I say, I will need to ask him. Now we never talk once I'm coming to be.
Ate. Baba so ate already ni fiasem. Okay. Hello.
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 Yes sir. Udin ba bia free.
I'm pas sûr premier. I'm me kase fra chuma ku fodia.
Etio minia.
The American say the bomba say half billion. I flew into the league in national minimum. And the coach board. The young one, new money, and said, Diana, the Ticover from Nambu. Now, I say, I could be league now. I got to get your court.
Omo de krata akoye but bibia sa nya ma se league ne maso.
And then to Masha, you best study league. I don't know more yes than you, man. I did go. Ghana idea. How much you maybe you? Let it come on.
Now ba call Doma. Oh, nkwe wo so pa but 20 minutes no. Hale.
Hello, Luta.
Yes sir. Why ni?
One independent afem. No afe.
Okay. Yankwe.
Me chair will appear for you now. And they are bomb pass half between Arena and Barcelona.
Okay. That's it. Okay. Udin baby are free.
I'm a customer and the
Udin.
I have Nana already.
Nana yetio.
I am a funny program for my money at Tapu starting and come why.
That's it.
Baba has read and I took a talk about you or boy, if you can eat a more enjoy no more, if you can a more. I could have no more boxing or so I can come with you, you know.
That's it. That was it. Who didn't be free? Hello. Okay, 120. Yes, sir. Who didn't be free?
Luta Ken.
Yes, sir, boss.
Yeah, I would say this book PhD, they can ask to be characters there out Africa face and the massive. Now, I didn't have a supply case who be more campaign sender that. Babbling shop will be on them. One stone babbling shop. Or BM Kuga, the speakers near anymore. And a boy is living out said I'm quick. And the doctor, Momu, you know, cash hours, you know, who chase some passports. And you are going to have 2 hours passports and say, Mom, we are sports in I build this a baby here. I'm not one stone babbling shop, and I'm in TY. After I get here, no comment anymore. And that's that living in Yabaso.
Maybe try.
And the Empire boy, everyone said, Dr. Hamilton, and to league.
So far, there will be a Chelsea league in Basso.
Luta, you take on a hand. Wouldn't say Yasanto Protocol, any house of folk behind the BGN. Dr. Hamilton and Chicano. Ghana, on your Bibiama, Atlantic and Ababa would be support to Kim you. It is a house of folk with a phobia of all kind of protocol. Just supporters in support to me a house on Tia. Because you requested the mayor for a bona. Really, no team or how dear there's an essay at the HPT to Dr. Kwamiti, I do already be on paper, you can't tonight. No more league, you know. Radia house of folk, you put the America. The also support the Diakin, your mom pie and touch, tell Radia Dutch, I bet you a deal. but that's open just
yes so that say aha na breme kwa me de dwumadie ni nyina si yentimi fa ofrani bia biem final lab dwumadie no nkono boye ene ye besi nkonwa ye de dwumadie ni bro no ma pii ne ye de abro ye beda wase se fi na no dwada ebesi nne mo ne asom ama no ma nyina akoyi e de ama na hye no se echina Bet Power Premier League ye de live commentary eso e de bebro sa so ene ye sorry a there's a healing point beba wa kwa mu 1 to 2 ena ebeba eno 21st clinic ede ayaresemu sem ebrel na just eve kirao apomudi wonsem ba bia obehu se normal ekoye yade bia etete no 21st clinic be kirao se aha ene bia ya okwa ho beto aduane we na adi a ho beto eno nti pacho 1 to 2 share say de healing point juma de ne bebro ye do bibia say ye soroti apostle Jeffrey Saronka Michael Asarebodu saso and the sports messiah akomiate nka Ricardo Varas e de afisem e de bre midin e de Luther King ye say rade say obema abudiabi ahoden na eda eye edwado abeka yensa e production no e ya branch e fe Ricardo Varas one oboyima ene boaye Richard the businessman Richie e wo Atebebu ene ye cha Saso and honorable set osaje for Aguna Swodru, former sports presenter. Ye chawpa. Edo bibia said you made in a sea crowd.